Well, hello there people. Today I'm outside on my farm and I've got my good old Master 365 here. Our other tractor's currently being used. She's our scraper tractor at the minute. We got a nice new shed. So yeah, people. Sorry about the last vlogs. Sorry they haven't been that good. It's just a time. Anyway, here's our loader for our Massey, Ferguson and our other tractor. These are pallet forks. Got a nice fertiliser spreader back there, a couple of bales of straw, bit of a straw shed here. Then we've got our good old Marshall box spreader. It's a really good machine. Then back there, if you can't see, we've got our grass harrow, our plough, our two toppers, and this is our bale trailer. We just currently picked up some straw the other day. So yeah, it's a bit of a farm tour today, if you haven't guessed. And we've got down here some more cows in our big nice shed, big one. Then if you can see down there, we've got one of our really old bale trailers with if you can't hear me because it's so windy, I'm sorry, but we got our slurry tanker and our mowers. When it's a less windy day, I'll give you a proper tour of the whole area down there and our kit. Our old combine, which we're not really using anymore, with the old grain trailer. Got a nice roller. Needs a bit of work, but that's, yeah, what we have. A couple of weights. My granddad's spud kit thing. A good Eiffel Williams trailer. And yeah, that's really all we got for today. So hope you enjoy it. See you again.